In this video, I will teach you how to design a small kit wardrobe in Google SketchUp using just simple tool. And this project is special made for beginners who want to understand SketchUp basics through real furniture design. If you find this video useful, please leave a comment, hit a like button, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, welcome back to Architect Vision 3D. And before we get started our modeling, I want you to go to your window, okay, and preference, and choose the architectural millimeter here, okay, and go to Views toolbar and click on the light tool set here, okay. Now let's get started our 3D model. And today I'm going to design a wardrobe for kit. And the first tool that I use rectangle tool here. And just click one, don't hold your mouse, just move your mouse like this. And then I put 400, 800, enter, okay. Okay, and after that, and I use the offset tool here. Just click one and move your mouse like this. And then I put 18, hit enter, okay. And here, the face here, I done it, so now I erase. Okay, and I use push and pull tool to pull up 50. Okay, and then I use the tape measure here. Just click one and click on the vertical here and move your mouse to the right like this. And then I put 35, enter, and here 35, enter, okay. And after that I use the protractor here, okay. Just click one, two, and then move your mouse like this. And I put 35, enter, okay. And also here 1, 2, and 35, enter, okay. And then I use pencil tool, okay, like this and like this, okay. And I use push and pull tool, okay, to pull like this, okay. And use the eraser tool to erase, okay, great. And then I select from the left to the right like this, right click, make group, okay. And I copy. To copy you use move tool and plus control key, okay, like this. And then I use the mirror tool, okay, here mirror tool. And then I want to mirror from the green line here, okay, great. And now I move, okay, great. And then you select from the left to the right like this again, and use move tool plus control to copy, okay. And again mirror, and this time from the red line here, okay. And I use move tool again, okay. Here you can lock the direction by pressing the arrow key, okay. And this time I press the right arrow key, so it lock on the red axis, okay. Okay, great. Okay, now I 3 times select this one that I done it and delete, okay, great. Okay, and next up I draw the bodies of the cabinet, and I use rectangle tool again, okay. Just click one here, two, okay. And then I use push and pull to pull up 1250, hit enter, okay. Okay, it look great. And now I use the offset tool to offset here 18, hit enter, okay. And I limit the line here, use the tape measure, and then here I put 12, okay. And I push in from the line that I limit here, okay. And the thickness, the back panel thickness is 12, okay. Okay, make group and use tape measure tool again, okay. And this time 6, because I want the thickness of the wood panel here 12, okay. And outside here I put 18, okay. Okay, it looks great. Make group. Okay, now I draw the drawer. Okay, so I use the tape measure. Just click one and move your mouse up like this, and then I put 300 enter. Okay, and I use the rectangle tool. Just draw like this. Okay, and use offset tool again, and I put 12 enter, and this way I don't need erase. Okay, and from this line I need 12. Okay, and then I push up like this. Okay, make group, and the locker here, the drawer here, so I want 150. Okay, and then from here, and it is the slide drawer space, and then I put 12.5 here, also 12.5. okay, and here I put 20. Okay, use rectangle tool, draw like this, and use push and pull tool to pull in, yeah, from here, this line. Okay, and use the offset tool here to offset in 12 enter, and the thickness of the back here also 12. Okay, now I push in from the line that I limit here. Okay, great. Make groove. Okay, use rectangle tool again. Just click 1, 2 here, and then I use push and pull tool to pull up from here. Okay, great. And I make group together. Okay, now let's copy. Move tool plus control. Okay, okay, quick and easy. Use rectangle tool, draw like this, and then I put up 18. Okay, I want it to look thicker and it look more great. Okay, and wood panel. Okay, now I want to make the shelter here, and then I use the pencil tool to draw here, and use rectangle tool. Okay, to find out. Okay, here at the center. Okay, now I draw like this. Use rectangle tool and the shelter fire. Okay, make groove, and then here I press the letter K, and I use move tool, and I find the center here. Okay, when you press the letter K, you can see everything inside. Okay, and then I click on the center here, and I find the center here. Okay, okay, great. Okay, now you press K again and delete all guideline. Press letter D. Okay, now it looks great. Okay, now I copy this shelter. Okay, here, and then put here. Okay. And the hanging here, I put 50. Okay, and find the center here. Okay, and I use cycle tool here. Okay, and I draw 6. Make group. Okay, done. Quick and easy. And this is the wardrobe for kit. Okay, now it is done, and now I use the DBS tool. Okay, and it is the slider. Just select the axis here. Okay, right click, open, and then here, close again, right click, open, and then here, close. Okay, boom. Okay, and this is done, and I hope that you will understand this tutorial, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to support my channel to get the latest video from me. Okay, thank you, and see you for the next video.